ladies and gentlemen. Today we are gonna solve this problem of writing a program to take input of two numbers into variables x and y and receive the mathematical operator plus minus into using unformatted input output into the variable operator and perform operations on x and y and display the result. So how are we supposed to do this? We just include the standard input output studio.h and let's begin. Add a program to take input of two numbers into variables x and y. So we do int main and take input of two numbers into variables x and y. Let's create the variables x and y and let's put enter two numbers, right? Enter two numbers and we can scanf %d %d and x and y. We get the numbers and receive the mathematical operator using unformatted input output into the variable operator. Display on our third variable to calculate for the calculations. I don't understand what this means. Receive the mathematical operator using unformatted input output. So we define these as stuff. I'm not sure, but let's define subtract that minus. Let's define multiplication as this and let's define division as div, right? Z equals perform operations on x and y and display the result x plus y. Now printf sum equals %d z, and similarly you can perform other operations in it. X divided by division equals this, multiplication implies this, and subtraction equals this, right? We don't need the return 0 because this is a good compiler. So what do we do now is we run this program. Yes, we will build this and try to run. While it's running, we will open ChatGPT and ask the question. No, not this. There's two numbers, let's say 10 and 10,2. Something wrong happened. obviously. There's a lot of stuff wrong over there. I don't even understand what's wrong in this program. Then, that's correct. Just try that again. Can we not use commas? So we cannot use commas. I didn't knew that. I didn't know that. We're supposed to use spaces and not commas. Wow. Too cool. So that works out now. Now let's see. Let's ask Mr. GPT for some advice and say something went wrong, of course. And the first number asks the take input for XMY printf into the operator plus minus. Nothing to which all equals x plus y. This is cool. Percent point to f plus m break is minus. Zero. Valid operator break return zero. Browser y are floating point numbers taken as inputs. E is a character variable that stores the operator. Cannot be used for both numeric and character units based on before percent change can often choose its different reading white space. Which one? System involves the operators and performs the respective operation and will give the overbit with zero. So what does this programming mean? Write a program to take input of two numbers into variables x and y. Mathematical operator using unformatted input. Output into variable op and for operations and v. What does that mean? In C involves using get char input char for character input, gets inputs for strings, avoiding the unformatted input output. For instance, like scanf and printer, so you can achieve the desired functionality using unformatted input output. And that's why it's always op char buffer 20. Enter the size in the first number, buffer size of number. Read input as a string. Convert string to float. We still use scanf, but there's a scanf. Weird. stdin. I don't get about fkits completely, but this is cool. Buffer. I think it stores the value into the buffer and takes size of buffer and stdin. What is stdin? I forgot. And the second number puts into the operator plus minus stuff equals get char, get char, get char, whatever. Operators, wait an operator, switch op, keys plus, result equals x plus y, which result with f, tension to f and minus, result equals x minus y, puts result. This multiplication equals result equals x into y, puts result and f is equal to f plus n, is slash y is not equal to 0, result equals x by y. This result the percent point to have what is this? Puts error division by 0 is not allowed. Break. Written by error invalid operator. Break. Return 0. Unformatted input output is handled by fgates, scanf, get outputs, and buffer management is the user temporarily store input strings before convert them to numerical values by using a scanf. Hmm. So wait a moment. So this I provided this with the code. Is my code correct according to the question that we previously did? Where this guy uses switch statements according to the question. Because what is automatically required statements in the question? The question specifically asks for unformatted using functions like get gets to see the operator or avoiding formatting the operator. Your code is scanf, which is format input, dynamic operator input. The user should input the operator and plus minus into end of program should perform operation based on the user's your program going to perform all operators without asking the user for a specific operator. Executed without so these are executed without user input and scanf is used for input which are not aligned with requirement for input. About input output for the operator, error handling for the program does not handle the by zero. Get car to the operator switch op base plus that x plus y. Okay, cool, cool. I understood everything this guy said except this f gets part. Isn't this formatted? Isn't sgif? But in this isn't scanf formatted the input output though. English checking does not allow the concept of non-finary output it requires strictly. Your scanf should not be used. In such a case, you would need to process input manually by into a buffer and convert them into it's how we can go to program actually avoid any format input output convert string to buffer. Okay, so cool. This kind of is so much more easier than this piece of code. UTI for integers is used instead of scanf. This method avoids not inferred output completely. So this is cool, but I don't know why we have to do this much instead of scanf. It's much better to use scanf. Here's input as a string. Wait, what if we press 1? We have to press 1 or word. Not sure. Let's try this code and see if this works. Into the first number, let's say 5. The second number, let's say 2. The operator, we say plus. Okay, it takes the number. I thought it would take string. The first number 1, and the second number is 2. Let's subtract them. Result is 0 because that's not be true, right? Cannot. 1, 2, and operator is plus. Yeah, that doesn't work. So this is cool. It takes the input as a string and converts them to integers. Well, that's it for today, guys. Love you.